I apologize for the wind noise in the camera here. So there's not much going on today. Just looking through some of the colonies here at home, and I decided to make up a couple of builders here for my next round of grafting. Since one of my cells emerged in my builder last time around, so there's a lot more bees than there's comb in this one. They're all hanging off the lid. I had these Paradise polystyrene boxes sitting here. I thought, why not use them up for some builders. I had a 10 frame builder last time. That worked fine. And this time I'm going to try out 6 frame builders and just do a few less cells in each one. Boy, these bees are after me now. But since I moved a lot of my bees away, it's kind of slim pickings. I don't know how to block the wind in the apiary, so I've worked through most of it. I have these over this side to look through, so resources are running thin. It's been really hot here lately. Today's a bit cooler and breezy. Not cold by any means. High 20s, 27 I think. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'm adding some seconds to some of these little guys that didn't get seconds yet. They're kind of the dinks that came out of winter, and I'm basically using those as mating nukes for some of my cells. They've got enough of a colony to accept a cell and mated queen, so they should be ready to go in about 3 more days is my date to check those for laying. Give them a few more days if they're not laying quite yet. But at that point, hopefully we'll watch them start to build and they'll get big enough for winter with the new queen. They probably won't make much honey, but such as it is, right? So in a few days, when I graft, I'll let these builders sit in my building for a couple days so that the bees stay with the hive. Then I'll graft in a couple more days, and a few days after that I need to stock my mating nukes. I'll try that again. I'm learning a lot of things about how to do this grafting process. It's all about timing. That day you have to do something is that day you have to do it, and no questions asked. Sometimes that's hard to schedule. Anyway, that's what I'm doing here today. So I hope you're having a good day. Happy Canada Day. Have fun.